So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thomas on the bottom and on top.
Now we get a 1-of-1 Diva and or Widowmaker.
or Magda for a change.
Or Magda. Or some random World of Warcraft character. Alrighty. We have Myrddin Bronzebeard, Tyrande Whisperwind, a cube of Endariel. We have an Ana, Rakanoth, and Aurea. Or Aora. Aoria? I don't know. It's a something. Ooh, we have Heroes of the Storm patch notes. It feels like so long since we've had a patch notes card. They look so cool. Like, it's the coolest patch notes I've ever seen. And then also an Ultimate Ready Tracer. I wish patch notes were like this cool to read when you actually get them in a game. We have Hanzo Shimada, Rock and Roll Racing, Reinhardt in the silver, Wrecking Ball, Diablo, and Zealot. Diva, Zagrara, another cube of Lilith, Zergling, Lyric, and Deckard Cain. We have a Hearthstone book card and Sergeant Hammer. What I'm surprised about, I'm surprised there's a Magda card, but we haven't come up with like a G Pun card yet.
I think it's for the best.
We have Sigma, Orphea, Terran Gorfiend, Deckard Cain, Banshee, that could be Banjeej, Illyria Windrunner.
That patch notes could have been numbered. Ooh.
Well, I don't think it was.
Okay.
But I will check. Yeah, no, not numbered. Unless you count the year the patch notes came out in 2015. We have Gianna Proudmoore, Junkrat, a Mercy emote. Oh, I love Mercy. Oh, she's crouching. Oh no, she's curtsying.
Oh, that's dope.
Oh, I love it. Oh, cute. We've had Des Trollbane, Phoenix, and Butcher. Had a few war banners look like that. That was numbered. Oh, nice. The Lost Vikings, Widowmaker. We have a BlizzCon. Oh, what year was that? Oh, 2018. Cute. We have Ash, Vala, and Grommash Hellscream. Baptiste, Arthas Menethil, a Baal Cube Echo, Sarah Carrion, and Mephisto. We have Soldier 76, Bran Bronzebeard, Lucio Ultimate Ready, Diablo, Thrall, and Volin Darkspear. We have a retro arcade collection, Sombra, Arthas Menethil Silver, Thrall, Asmodin, and Varian Rin. Hanzo Shimada, Roadhog, a Mephisto Cube, Inarius, Adept, and Hellbat. Another Hearthstone book and a Zealot. We have a Kil'jaeden, Zerg Warbanners. We have a Baptiste in a little spectral, and Daneth Trollbane. We have a Raynor Murky, Lyric Cube, RPM Racing, Kaldus Sunstrider, and Herazim Dark Templar. Tyrell, Medivh. We have Diva Ultimate Ready, which has a little like patch on it here, which is very cool. I don't know if they all have that, but I haven't noticed it if they do. We have Elise Starseeker, Lilith, and Thrall. Myrddin Bronzebeard, Brigitte. We have another BlizzCon. Did 2015. A Lyric, Jaina Proudmoore, and Ajuin. Rexa, Kellis Sunstrider. We have a Duriel Cube, an Uther Lightbringer, Gramash Hellscream, and Nova Terra. Malfurion Stormrage, a Protoss Warbanner. Oh my god, we did get a numbered Magda!
Very good.
That's a 66 of 99 Magna.
Nice.
Magda. That's honestly to be a numbered card. Oh, and a normal Magda.
Nice. Yes, very good.
Very good, very good.
Where is he?
That's, yeah.
Go show up now. Oh, I heard he got, maybe he got timed out. Oh, I'm not sure.
Is he having a gotcha? That would be funny. Lyria Windrunner, Lunara. We have a Silver Abathor, Magni Bronzebeard, Siege Tank, and Endin Rin to finish us off.